Let's divide 316 by 2. Hey math adventurers! If you're having fun learning with us, hit that subscribe button and join the Let's Stud family. We've got tons of exciting math adventures waiting for you. Alright, let's start our division adventure. We're going to use the first digit of 316, which is 3. How many times does 2 fit into 3? It fits 1 time. Let's check. 1 times 2 is 2. Now subtract 2 from 3. We have 1 left over. You're doing awesome. Keep up the great work. Time to bring down the next digit. Let's see what we have now. Look at this. We have a 1 and a new digit 1. That makes 11. We carry over the remainder 1 and bring down the next digit 1 to make 11. How many times does 2 go into 11? Think of your 2's times tables. It's 5 times. Let's multiply. 5 times 2 equals 10. Subtract 10 from 11. What do we get? It's 1. Woohoo, you're a math superstar. 1 more digit to go. Let's finish strong. We've got a remainder of 1 and the last digit 6. Together, they make 16. We carry over the remainder 1 and bring down the final digit 6 to make 16. What is 16 divided by 2? That's right, it's 8. Let's check. 8 times 2 is 16. Subtract 16 from 16. We have 0 left, no remainder. Amazing, you totally crushed it. We've divided all the digits. Our final answer is 158. We've successfully divided 316 by 2, and our answer is 158. Great job, everyone! We tackled 316 divided by 2 step by step, learning about partial quotients, multiplication, and remainders. Remember, every problem is a chance to shine. That's all for this video. Keep practicing, stay curious, and check out more awesome math videos on Let's Stud.